Welcome to another new video. Today we will talk about a crucial aspect for any PV project, the technical and financial assessment. How do you make sure that a solar project is not only technically feasible, but also financially profitable? Let's discover together the key factors you need to analyze to ensure success. Whether you are planning a new installation or optimizing an existing project, understanding how to make a technical and financial assessment is essential to making informed decisions. The technical assessment focuses on ensuring that the project is feasible from an engineering and operational point of view. Let us look at the most important aspects. Site selection. The first step is to choose the right location for the installation. Factors such as solar irradiance, climate, topography, and grid access are critical to ensure efficient power generation. Critical components. It is vital to select the right components, from solar panels to inverters and storage systems. Each component must be evaluated in terms of its efficiency, reliability, and cost. System design. System design should maximize power generation while minimizing losses due to shading, orientation, and other factors. An optimized design translates into greater operational efficiency. A sound technical analysis will allow you to minimize technical risks and ensure that your plant will perform optimally throughout its life. Now let's move on to the financial analysis. This is crucial to ensure that the project is profitable and can attract funding. Here are the key aspects. Capital costs. CapEx includes the initial costs of the project, such as land acquisition, purchase and installation of panels, inverters, storage systems, and other infrastructure costs. Operating costs. OpEx are the operation and maintenance, O&M, costs to be covered during the lifetime of the plant. These include preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, panel cleaning, and plant management. Cash flows and return on investment, ROI. Once we know the costs, we need to project revenues and calculate cash flows. ROI measures how long it will take to recover the investment and the profitability over time. Sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis allows you to see how changes in costs, production, or interest rates affect the financial viability of the project. This is key to understanding the impact of external variables. Sound financial analysis ensures that the project is financially viable and attractive to investors and financiers. There are several tools that facilitate the technical and financial evaluation of PV projects. We will review some of the most widely used in the industry. PVsyst. It is a leading tool for the dimensioning of photovoltaic plants. It allows you to simulate the performance of the plant, calculate the expected production, and perform loss and efficiency analyses. Homer energy. Homer is used to optimize hybrid systems that combine solar energy with storage and other sources. It is ideal for analyzing more complex projects involving different technologies. RET Screen. RET Screen is a free tool to assess the financial and technical feasibility of renewable projects, including photovoltaic plants. It also facilitates risk analysis. These tools are essential to make an accurate assessment and get a complete picture of the technical and financial feasibility of a solar project. Finally, let's review some of the key factors to consider to ensure the profitability of your PV project. Power Purchase Agreement. PPA. A power purchase agreement guarantees stable revenues over time. It is important to negotiate a competitive tariff to ensure the financial viability of the project. Government incentives. In many countries, there are tax incentives, feed-in tariffs, and subsidies for renewable energy. Be sure to take advantage of these incentives to improve the profitability of your project. Operational optimization. Predictive maintenance and the use of AI can reduce operating costs and maximize efficiency. Investing in advanced technologies can increase profit margins. Taking these factors into account will allow you to maximize revenue and ensure the long-term profitability of your project. As we have seen, technical and financial assessment is essential to ensure the success of any PV project. If you need help evaluating your project or want to know how to maximize its financial viability, contact me on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to help you take your solar project to the next level. A solid analysis ensures that your solar investment is profitable and sustainable over time.